On the surface, a single step doesn't seem like much, nor does it appear to take you very far. But there is a lot more to a step than we give credit for. The truth is, a single step can move the world, or it can start a movement. At Kia, we're moving towards sustainable mobility through our collective global footsteps. From design innovation that saves energy to innovative materials that are inspired by nature, we create new technologies that have less impact on our surroundings. The best part? It's a small choice everyone can make to create a better future for everyone. Introducing the all-new Kia Niro. Better only takes a step. Kia, movement that inspires.